We may get to some of these in class, but this is just in case we don't. Snack container has a cylindrical shape. The diameter of the base, as soon as you see diameter, I would go ahead and find the radius. All your formulas have to do with the radius. So 7.84 divided by 2. And keep going. The height of the container is 23.4, so that's on your picture already. This is shown in the following diagram. Write down the radius. Oh, we already even asked that, so they're kind of leading you into this. Calculate the area of the base of the container. So don't jump into the fancy formulas. The base is a circle, so pi r squared. So 3.92 squared, 15.3664 pi centimeters squared. And then I would write that, and then I would multiply it times pi and get your exact answer, 48.3 centimeters squared. So you have this exact, and then you have the the rounded answer. Dan is going to paint the curved surface and the base of the snack container. Calculate the area to be painted. So we already have the base, 48.3. The curved surface is the lateral area. So you look up the formula for lateral area of a cylinder, and it's 2 pi RH. It's basically a circle times the height. Circumference of the circle times the height. So 2 pi 3.92 23.4 2 times 3.92 times 23.4. That would be 183.456 pi. I always like to write that just in case something happens. So that's 576 centimeters squared, 3 sig figs. So 576 plus 48.3 would be your answer. $624.3 centimeters squared. So if you're going 3 sig figs, 624 centimeters squared. Double check units, make sure they're right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Coordinate geometry question. The equation of a straight line is y equals 2x minus 3. So this is in what they call gradient intercept form, but we call slope intercept form. So the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is negative 3. It says write down the y-intercept of L. That would be 0, negative 3. Write down the gradient of L1, which is 2. Don't write 2x, just 2. Okay, now we're going to get questioning on do you know stuff that's parallel or perpendicular or whatever. So L2 is a new line. It's parallel to L1. So that means I have an equation, y equals 2x plus b, because my slope is the same, and it passes through the point 0,3. So now I can plug in my point, and it's an easy one. So b equals 3. So y equals 2x plus 3. Every time you find the equation of a line, find the slope, plug it in to the generic formula, plug in your point to find b. L3 is perpendicular to L1. So perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocals. So 2 over 1, the opposite reciprocal is negative 1/2. And it passes through that point. First says write down the gradient, write down the slope. And then find the equation of L3. So just like before, take your slope, plug it in, then plug in a point they give you. Don't try to do it all at once. 6 equals negative 1/2 times negative 2 plus b. This is 1 plus b. b equals 5. So I have y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. Now, the last step here is to give the answer in the right form. ax plus by plus d equals 0. It's kind of the IB standard form. A, b, and d are integers. So I'm going to get everything on one side of the equation. So 1/2 x plus y minus 5 equals 0. And then a, b, and d need to be integers. Multiply everything by 2. And now it's in the form that we want. Usually they say a to be positive. They didn't say that here, but that's generally a good rule to follow.